Hello, hello, hello. It's Tammy and I am excited because I have a package from Espace Tricot. So if you guys don't know who Espace Tricot is, then maybe you're not into yarn and that's fine. But if you are into yarn, then you need to check out Ravelry and you need to sign up for my or follow me or whatever. I don't know how that works. Be friends with me so we can keep track of each other's projects and stuff and just kind of, you know, have fun. But Espace Tricot, E-S-P-A-C-E, and then it's a new word, T-R-I-C-O-T, and it's French. They're in Canada somewhere. I think Quebec. Does that make sense? I think that's right. And they have some wonderful free patterns. And they are a yarn shop. And Espace Tricot, according to one of their YouTube videos, because they also vlog, so they are fabulous. They do it all, and I keep looking the wrong side because I'm used to my camera being the other way, so I did something screwy. But they have wonderful patterns, wonderful, wonderful patterns, and beautiful yarn. And they don't make their own yarn. They are a vendor for yarn, I guess. I don't know what to say. But anyway, they sell yarn. And look at this. This is All for Rug by Junko Akamoto. There are a total of 10 skeins of yarn, and this is enough to make that sweater. And I thought it was beautiful, so I am excited about that. And then I also got a little extra something something. And what I really wanted was, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. It's Woolfolk. Oh my goodness. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. Okay, what I wanted was one of their kits that they made for a pattern that they also made, but they are out right now. So they put me on a waiting list and they're going to let me know when it's available. So their customer service is #1. Again, I keep looking in the wrong spot. I am sorry. I know I'm supposed to look over here. It's usually in the other side. And so I'm used to looking over here. And then I realized that, oh, I'm looking in the wrong spot. So sorry about that. But they gave me a cute little card with my receipt, and it says, I think it says made with love. Yes, made with love. Where is it? Oh, there. And then the other side has a little handprint. That's cute. And it's on a little thing. And their names are Melissa and Lisa, and they are just fabulous women. And thank you. Happy knitting. Aww. So what did I get? I got 2 of the Woolfolk Fars, and this is in color 6. And they only do they do numbers, and their pricing is Canadian. So just keep that in mind. So this is the Woolfolk Far. I have not used this yet. I've used the Woolfolk Luft, but then I wanted the Far for something. I don't even know what. The Far even feels like it might be even squishier. And it's kind of a light tan color. Ooh, it's super pretty. And then I have one of the Shibui Silk Clouds, and this is in the color Poppy. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You can see that halo of fuzz on here. I haven't used any of this yet, but I need to. I have about 3 skeins now of this Shibui Silk Cloud, and I want to use it because it is just beautiful and it feels so good. I love it, love it, love it. And I even kind of wonder if this would go together. I think it would. I could make like a really cool hat or something. Who knows, but I'm excited. So I thought I would share with you guys and let you guys know what I was shopping for. And this only took, gosh, this took about a week to get here, and with the holiday, that's fabulous, from Canada. So I am excited. This yarn looks phenomenal. I'm going to open it so that we can check it out. it's very woolly actually. It is, I'm not even gonna pretend like to pronounce it. And it is very woolly. It's not in a language that I can read for sure. I think it's wool, like I think it's just 100% wool, but I don't know what kind. And it's too little for me to see. And then I think it's in, well, it even says Iceland, so I don't know. I'm sorry guys, but it is very nice. It's very woolly, but it's not itchy. It matches my hair. Oh, it's very nice. I like it. And it's thick, and hopefully this is like going to be a quick knit because it's chunkier wool and it's just super cute. And I think that this pattern is just gorgeous. So it looks like it doesn't include the pattern. I thought this was maybe the pattern, but it's not. This is just a paper showing it. So I have to buy the pattern separately, which is not a problem. And now that I say that, I know that that's true with any of their patterns that aren't theirs. You have to buy the pattern separately, which totally makes sense. But if it's theirs, if they've made the pattern, they will include the pattern. I keep looking in the wrong spot again. They will include the pattern with the kit if it's a pattern that they created, because you know they have to, the designer has to get credit for it. So I will just have to, and you know what, I kind of think I've already purchased it in my library, so I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be really cute, and it may even, I don't know, I'm not sure if it's going to be for me or for my daughter yet, but it's going to be for one of us. And it's a one size kind of a sweater, so that's why I say it's going to be for one of us. And maybe if it's a one size sweater, maybe we could both wear it. That would be cool. Okay, well, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.